today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube today. And so let's get started. I have a whole set of steps right here that I'll be teaching you how. And so let's scramble the cube. Now that we have scrambled the cube, let's get started. Start off by making a cross out of the Rubik's Cube. There's no algorithm for this, it's just, okay, so once you have the cross, now you're going to put it in the corners. There's no algorithm for this either, but you just put in the corners to the matching color, like this, okay? Now let's move on to step 2. Now you're going to be trying to put in this piece, and so let's say here. Okay, so this piece you're going to do the algorithm. First, let's show you the algorithms. Let's review the what moves are the moves that I will tell you. These are the moves. If I say R, it means right. If I say L, it means left. So if I say F, it means face. If I means U, it means up. If I say D, it means down. If I say B, it means back. So just study this. Alright, now that you have studied the algorithms page I just showed you, if you didn't, pause the video and study it. I'm gonna do this one instead. And so I'm gonna do algorithm 1. Algorithm 1 is U, R, U, R, U, L, U, L, U. Alright? I might have said that wrong, but this one. So here's U, R, U, R prime, U, and then turn the cube, L, U, L prime, not L prime, just L, and then you, see, now you added this. You're going to do that to every single side. So now here's a different thing where it's on the opposite side. In fact, I decided I want to show you this. It's a different example. You're going to do the algorithm 1 add-on, which is U, L, U, L, U, flip the cube, R, U, R, U, okay? Let's do it. Flip the cube. Now that you have the edges, make sure to get them all done. Now time for the yellow cross. There are 2 different suggestions for this. I'm going to start with the plain suggestions just to make the cross, and let's do it. And so here, let's grab our algorithm 2. Here's algorithm 2. It's face, R, U, R, U, F. Here's what it looks like on the cube. You're going to do, if you do not have this, and if you have a line, or this, or just like this, I'm going to just do this one first, because, yeah, just wait. Don't do it if you don't have this yet, just wait. Do this. Any of you guys have it like this, flip it so it's like that, and do the same algorithm like this. guys have mine, then do the same algorithm with it straight across. It should bring up the cross. Now what you're gonna want to do is swap the corners. Start off by finding a quarter. Well, not swap the corners actually. You're gonna align these using this algorithm. So it is algorithm 3 on the board. R U R U R U U R. That sounds like a long algorithm, but I'll show you. It should swap around the things. Mine are all the way swapped, so I'm gonna do it again. Again. And if you ever get a suggestions like this, I have a different algorithm which you go like this, hold it at the top towards like that, go like this, down, this, twice. Alright, and then do it again until it goes back to the cross on the top. And so, see how you did it? Alright, now it's time for swapping the corners. Now, on the corner thing, you're going to find a corner that is in the right spot, but it could be churned or not churned. If you don't have it, just do this algorithm plate straight up. If they're already aligned, just wait. But just make sure the one is right here. If you don't have one, just do it on anyone. It's algorithm 4, which is pretty long. Algorithm 4 is URULURUL. Which swaps them. So do it like this. See how I did it? And it did swap around, but not in the right spot. So I'm gonna do it again. So if yours didn't and you did it, and then try to find if it's like that, and then do it where it's right there, okay? I'm gonna do the algorithm again. Alright, they're all aligned. Now it's time for turning the corners. Pretty short algorithm. Here's the algorithm on the board. It is ULULU. Oh wait, sorry, I'm doing the wrong one. It's RD. And so this one you have to do that multiple times. So let's do it. Start off by doing it like this. R, D, R, D, R, D. And do it again until the corner turns. Once that corner turns, you're going to turn it to one that's already churned, that's not churned already, and do it in the algorithm until it turns. And then switch, do it to this one, and then switch, do that algorithm again. And just so you guys know, if you only have one corner churn, or that corner won't churn, and if it finally turns but the whole thing isn't solved, that means someone turned the corner. That is impossible to solve. But that's how you solve it. That's all. And now that I've taught you how to solve the 3x3, now I'm going to erase and to see how fast I can solve it. And 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, we gotta hurry. That was not very fast because of I was behind the camera and it was hard for me to see over the camera. But yeah, as I was saying, that wasn't very fast because of him and the camera was kind of covering me. But yeah, so my fastest ever solving one of these is probably 30 seconds. That is hard to believe, but is actually true. And so I just taught you how to solve one of the most, once you solve these, you could solve every cube. And so I'm gonna show you what every cube is that I own. Here's what every cube is. A whole bunch. I actually know how to solve most of them. I could solve the 5x5. I might teach you in another video. But yeah. Oh yeah, once you learn how to solve things, I think you can also learn how to solve a mega mix. I might teach you that in a different video. But thank you for watching my YouTube tutorial, and like and subscribe for more videos.